So in today's class, I'm going to show you how to use the Data Analysis Toolpak. So what you do, first of all, you open your Excel. Once you open your Excel, I want to activate the Data Analysis Toolpak. So if you come to data here now, you find out that look at this side, there's nothing on that particular side. That's why I'm going to add a Data Analysis Toolpak in. If I look at this side there, under my data, you find out that there's nothing there. You see that the Data Analysis Toolpak is not there. So you can see yes, empty. If you want to bring the Data Analysis Toolpak here, now click on your file. You click on file. When you click on file, it goes to your options. Click on option here. I click on the option, go to the add in. So click on add in. So you add in, that's where you click on. So I will have my box there. So go to your add in. This is add in here. Remember this is add in. Click on the add in. So once you click on the add in, you now have to click on this point down here. You see you have your Excel add in also. Click on that place, you have the Excel add in. So let me get the blue color. So this place you have the Excel add in. You click on it, then click on go. So click on the go. So when you click on go, you have the two packs here. So you can activate anyone. You need analysis pack, you need analysis pack tools, you need your euro currency, you need your server add-in. Just click on any of the two pack. Just click OK. So I just need the analysis two pack. So if you want to run regression, your statistical analysis basically, regression, correlation, covariance. So you see it here. So the descriptive analysis. Once you click on it, any type of analysis you want to run, be it covariance, all the statistical analysis, you always find it useful. So with this, you can able to run any of the others. You want to do your moving average, you want to run any of the correlation, ANOVA, single factor ANOVA, double factor ANOVA, exponential analysis, descriptive analysis. You can see all those things using it. So you have your regression on this side there. You have sampling, you have all the statistical analysis. So this is where you can activate it, where you can get it from. So see you in the next one. Also, I want to let you to know that our data analysis class is on for the month of May. You can join the class for registration. Thank you.